and just started recording. Yes, we will also. I also want to thank Lakshmi for coming up with this brilliant idea, where we give people, a kind of insight into what Inner Wheel is all about. And we decided that Malli would be the best person because she's like the rule book here. Anytime and every time we have a doubt, we are running to Malli to check it. What we're doing is right.
Anita, that applies to all the seniors in our club.
But I've had
we are all walking, talking encyclopedia.
Why? Therefore, because Malli has read the constitution more than us because she was CCCC. We, of course, we are also aware, but I'm still.
Koncho extra. No, actually, whatever I'm saying today, I already know thanks to you and other seniors in the club. Seniors, the people that were seniors when I joined. Thanks to you guys.
Malli, also, the updation of the constitution bylaw, sometimes we tend to skip also. So we so-called seniors may have missed a few things in between. So I might ask you some questions in between. Okay?
Oh, sorry. Okay, looking forward.
That's great. So, for all the members who are here today, this should tell you, you have PDC stamp of approval on Malli's knowledge on Inner Wheel. So I hand this over to Lakshmi to take this forward. Thank you, Lakshmi, again for organizing this. And take over.
It's my pleasure. Malli, you can start.
Okay. So first of all, what is not there in this book, this Inner Wheel prayer that we just read out. That is made by one Mrs. Ardeshir, an Inner Wheel member from India. And you find this prayer recited actually only in India. So don't be surprised when you go to any other country and you don't hear the Inner Wheel prayer. This is very India specific. All right. So Lakshmi, you can start sharing. So ladies, like I said, this is the basic framework. So in case you have any doubts, you can interrupt and ask me straight away. And we can, so that, everybody is there in the loop. Okay. Okay. So this is about Inner Wheel. We are an international organization, over 1 lakh members, 3,895, near almost 4,000. We don't know. India is expanding big time. We might even have crossed 4,000 by now in more than 104 countries. In India, we have over 48,000 members in over 15,500 clubs. In the district, we are over 1,700, I have written, but actually it is over 1,800 members. In another couple of days, it will be 63 clubs. Next, Lakshmi. Lakshmi. Next, ma.
I'm moving.
What's for lunch?
Yeah, this is the next slide. Malli, this is the next slide. Malli? Hello?
The rally as well as the
we can hear.
Oh, okay.
You can hear?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
can hear you.
The district chairman is Kamala Selvam. Lakshmi, next month. Lakshmi?
Yeah, it's getting stuck. I don't know why.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a district that comes above us. You all know that, and our district is, let's see pattern A. So at the lowest part, we have the clubs. When I say lowest part, actually, it is really the most important part because that is where All the
Remember
work
that.
in Innerville happens. All the service work in Innerville happens at the club level. And we are all members of the club. And a number of clubs belong to a district. And we all know, you all know our district is District 323. Above the district, the next higher level is the association level, which is the national. The national body is called the Association of Innerville Clubs in India. So we just call it the association level. So then that has 27 districts in all, and that comes under the association. And the higher rung to that is the International Innerville. Okay. So the interesting thing about the association is, if you look at pattern B, there is a mistake there. The top rung should still read International Innerville. International Innerville district and clubs. That's because not every district belongs to a club. There are actually in the world only 4 associations. I don't know which the other 3 are. So most of the districts will directly come under the international. They skip that association level. We in India have the association. Doubts anywhere here?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, when you say district, does it mean it doesn't have to be a city or a town or anything like that? It could just
No,
be
these are
anything.
districts that go by numbers. These districts are
Okay.
assigned by Innerville. The numbers are Innerville. The divisions are made by Innerville. This has
Okay.
got nothing to do with the geographical districts.
I see. Okay, fine.
All right.
I thought it had something to do with the geographical or the Rotary.
No, not Nalini, because some of the districts are half in Kerala, half in Tamil Nadu, no, 298. The one in Coimbatore.
Corresponding to Rotary district, it was all named.
It was
later,
actually corresponding. Yeah, Nalini, go ahead and say that.
No. Yeah, correspondingly, it was all named, numbered like that. And they are all bifurcated only because Rotary bifurcated, and later, by the strength of the Innerville clubs, Innerville also, mostly, I don't think Innerville grew so much to bifurcate. They just joined the Rotary bifurcation group if they were big enough. That's that much geographical, nothing more.
Yeah, but
Thank you, Mali. Go
Rotary
ahead.
districts are also not corresponding to geographical districts. These
Okay.
are districts just to group clubs. So I think that's the way they were formed. So like when a district becomes unmanageably big, then they bifurcate and make you into 2 districts.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Lakshmi. Next one.
Geeta, we are coming for lunch.
Okay. So let's talk about the international. The international in the international level, at the international level alone, the governing body is not the governing body. Okay, there are it's called the board, not the executive committee. But the moment we come to the association, districts or clubs, it is called the EC, executive committee. Only in the international, we call it the board. Okay. So the officers of the international board are just 4: president, vice president, immediate past, and treasurer. The administrator and or the international secretary, there the secretary is not an elected post. It's a paid post. A person is appointed to do that work. So there's no election to that post, and that person does not get to vote. And then at the other officer is the international editor. And apart from these 6 people, the governing body has 16 board members and the chairman of the Constitution Committee. So you get it? The governing body has in total 9 people. Now, not 9. There is the 16 board members, so I'm not doing my math there. 16 plus 2 plus 2 plus 16 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So that makes it 20, 21, 22, 23. So
Okay.
totally 23 there. Okay. Next, Lakshmi. The association executive committee, it consists of the association president, the immediate past president, the vice president, secretary, and treasurer. Okay. Okay. There's, apart from these 5 people, there is something called the association council, and most decisions are made here actually. And the association council is these 5 officers plus the immediate past chairman of all the 27 districts. So Usha was supposed to be at an AC meeting, association council meeting right now, but now with the COVID, everything has gotten cancelled. So Usha is right now our district's association council member. Next, Lakshmi. Okay, now we come to the district. District officers are chairman, immediate past chairman or AC member, vice chairman, secretary, and treasurer. These are the district officers. We have other ex officio members, that is the district ESO, district ISO, and the district editor. All of them together form the executive committee, but the officers are just this 5: chairman, AC member, vice chairman, secretary, and treasurer. Right? Next, Lakshmi. And then again in the district also, to cast the votes and to make decisions, we have what is known as the district committee. The district committee consists of the executive committee of the district, as well as the presidents and secretaries of all the clubs. That is the voting delegates. Secretaries and presidents are voting delegates of a club. Okay. Lakshmi? Yeah. So then we come to the club. At the club level, we have president, vice president, immediate past president, and secretary and treasurer, who are the club officers. Apart from the that, we have the executive committee consists of the ISO and a maximum of 6 committee members.
All voted. All voted.
No, the committee members are appointed. At the club level, actually, we do not have an election. We can have an election, but we actually do not. But even there, it will only be for the club officers, I'm thinking.
One doubt I have, is it compulsory for the club office bearers to be in the EC?
Yes. The club office bearers are in the EC.
They are there.
The
No, first,
the EC is EC.
Malika, Malli, please make it clear, but when the new member joins, she comes to the EC, then only she is coming to the offices.
That's what I want
Just,
to know.
Yeah.
just from
Okay.
membership, you can't climb to the any post. But some clubs want of people, they have done like this, but that is not the rule.
Yeah.
Generally, and also tell them
Basically, a
elected
member
post.
generally joins the executive committee as one of the committee member.
Yeah.
She attends the executive committee meetings and she understands what happens at these meetings, how we function and all that.
Okay.
Of course, maybe in our club, maybe in some other clubs also, in a lot of clubs, people straight away take them for club office bearers because sometimes you do not find somebody to take up a post. But that is always a disadvantage for the person taking up a post, because you're sitting there in the post and you're trying to learn what the job is about.
And this happens in a new club because they
This
just
will have to happen in a new club. There is
Yeah.
no choice there.
and first 2-3 years also again, but they learn.
Yeah,
I mean,
they learn.
They learn.
But in
No,
the first,
It's
when it's a new club, there are lots of people to help the club to, take care of the thing, the sponsoring club. Maybe there is a PDC assigned. There is always help that you can take, and you will be forgiven for not actually knowing. But in a senior club, when that happens, that's not
no,
very.
we also want of things straight away from ISO, something we have done twice. But even ISO is not an elected post. That's why I want our whoever is in EC slowly do at least one elected post. Not that all of them want to come to district, they should be eligible at least. President
Actually, either secretary or treasurer, if you do,
because
it's a very good learning process to when you become a president.
Malli, also tell them it is vice president, president, all are elected posts. ISO is not. That they should know.
Yeah. Yeah.
ISO,
No,
The
no,
all
all are
Ministers
elected.
are elected posts.
All are
The
elected.
committee members
illa
are
illa Nalini, ex officio nu potirukom ISO ku matram.
ex officio da.
Malli, can I add to this? Why it is very important to have one post? No, only to know the work is not only important. How to behave and handle the situation is also very important.
That is
Once
very
they become the president or secretary or anything, they think it not in our club, but generally in other clubs, we got all the powers. We are president, we are secretary. They don't know. If 1 year they will be in the committee, they understand, yes, how much the people have to work and they have to adjust with everybody.
That's true.
That's true. That's why I'm telling.
That's very true. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Our club always from EC only we take. We don't take. First they come to the EC, then they take the office.
First, always you take them to one of the 6 committee members, you take them in. And then when they understand what is happening there, then, but then when you become a committee member, don't sleep. Come, John, come, go for the meetings.
Yeah, yeah. Actually,
because
speaking,
unless you go, you're not going to learn really.
Strictly speaking, I don't want to mention, one member asked, it is supposed to be election, nothing is happening, you big wigs are deciding who is coming. This was told to me by one member of our club only.
No, there is nothing saying that.
So I said, no, then okay, the person who told me, I said, okay, you take secretary, she went back. So we are deciding on who is willing, we are telling them to take.
Actually, as far as the club is concerned,
it need not be election, it can be unanimous.
It need not be election if of course, if one member is saying, I would like to do the post and another member is also saying that, then we have no choice but to have an election.
Internal election.
Have an election.
But so all these clubs are autonomous. Malli, are these clubs autonomous or do we come under one umbrella?
One umbrella, of course, one umbrella.
But then who's the top? Who decides which is right and wrong?
No, club is different, Rita. We are club. Then you have to come to the district. District is different.
We come under the international umbrella.
Okay.
But the thing is, our hierarchy is fairly watertight. There is no direct interference into the club activity by any of the higher levels.
Okay, okay.
Not even the district can interfere directly in the club.
Okay.
Ideally, they can only guide us.
Has a problem and we ask for the district to intervene, only then they can do it. Otherwise, we have that complete independence of functioning.
Rita, Malli, can I tell one thing? Rita, if the chairman interfered too much in the club, it is not allowed. Where the chairman is interfering too much, the secretary is talking directly, treasurer going directly, member going to, that club always have unrest. And many years it happened.
Also,
chairman also should know her limits. She can interact with the senior of the club and president of the club. If there is any problem, she should not interact with each and every member. And this is happening. Many times it happened. That's why I'm bringing this point this year.
No. Also, this thing is about communication. They only have to communicate in that way because association president can't communicate directly with the club president or anything like that. Definitely, the international is not even going to think of doing that. They will not. And also, it is from the chairman to the president. At the most, communication to the secretary can come from the district secretary. To the treasurer can come from the district treasurer about the dues and other election things. All those things can happen. But otherwise, for the club, the district only talks to the president. The president, the chairman, the association president, those are the heads of those that group of governing body.
So we are fairly autonomous. We are fairly autonomous.
Club is fairly autonomous in its functioning.
Okay, fine.
More than fairly.
More than
Be quite
No, no.
autonomous.
For
We are-
example, if our club has got some problem, the
Okay.
member who wants to solve it, he cannot directly talk to the chairman. It has to be addressed by the
anything
president to
about the
chairman.
club has.
It is only from the
Even if
president to the
somebody is
chairman.
unhappy with it has to go through the president only.
Okay.
It
Okay.
goes like that.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
And Rita, it is
So-
always better to solve in the club only. It is like a family, ma. Family
Okay,
like
okay.
other club pickup is solved in the family only.
Moment
Then
you take
we go to
higher-
society.
Okay.
The moment you take it to a higher authority, you are only increasing the confusion. You're better off solving it on your own.
Okay, fine.
Not that we are going to be having a problem. If there is any problem or anything like that, if somebody has a view, then they can voice it out. If anybody wants an election, they can ask for an election. It's a right of every member.
Okay.
You can ask. We are all very experienced in holding elections, maybe not at the club level, but we've done it a lot
See,
at the
our
district
club is a
level.
very different story. We are a very stable club. But
Okay.
in the district, many clubs and many things are happening. It is nothing new.
Okay.
Hmm.
But so far, maybe in some other clubs, in our club, it has not happened that two people said, okay, I want to be president this year.
They
It has
discuss
not
among
happened as
themselves
far as
and
I
they settle,
remember.
ki, okay, this year you will become president. next year.
Excuse me, may I say something as a past president? The very fact that
Yes,
somebody
please.
has come up to Radha Shankar Krishnan, the very fact that somebody has come up to Radha Shankar Krishnan to make that remark means that we need to be alert and, work around that issue.
Totally, Shri, which is why we are talking about it, which is why Radha brought it up also. And
Yeah.
which is why I also said if a member wants an election, we can always hold.
No, this is
Within
within our
elections.
club,
That-
so I
that
don't
option
mind
is there.
mentioning the member's name. It was Meenakshi who asked me, Meenakshi Mohan, who has left our club.
Sari, adu.
Then,
அதனாலதான் நான் ரொம்ப
I
weight
don't think
கொடுக்கல.
we need to discuss it any further.
அதனாலதான் weight கொடுக்கல. உண்மையா அந்த மாதிரி கேட்டான்னு
No, but
தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டோம்.
anyway, if there is, let's not talk about Meenakshi,
அதுதான்.
we'll go off at a
Okay,
tangent.
I just
No,
want
no, no need to.
one
Please
point
continue,
also to
Chinnavi.
make. Listen, at this point, at this juncture, I'd like to make one point. Before, I mean, it's just a suggestion for in future. Before we form the committee for the next year, not just the committee, the exec and everything, maybe we should just send out a message to all the members saying this is what is going to happen. And if
Yeah,
you
that's a
think
good-
you're eligible, why don't you put your name forward?
Yeah,
You know,
good
if they've
suggestion.
already served as treasurer and whatever,
Sure, we
and
could
they
do
want,
that. Yeah, sure, we could do that.
now that we
Yeah,
have more
that's a good
members,
suggestion.
we
That's
should.
a good suggestion. We are
Yeah,
more
yeah.
open and clear.
Suggestion.
I agree.
Okay,
Yeah.
secretary, please note. Or
Yeah,
the incoming
actually,
secretary,
that's
please.
what
note. I
happens
think
in a district, you see, they call for nominations. So
Yeah.
it should happen. That should be the rule, but kind of we are taking it for granted. Correct, Geeta?
We have a
Super
tough
state.
time forcing people to take positions, so
Yeah.
it's okay. That is
So
not.
the December meeting
Almost everybody.
is generally called the Corium meeting.
Exactly. But still, for what it's worth, if there's somebody who
So
wants
if you want an election, go ahead. But then just because we ask who's willing to come, don't all boycott the December meeting. Okay? We will make phone calls and ask. Because I know how they can work, how Radha and Nalini can work. I was a person that was escaping becoming president for 10 years. After 10 years, they Corium failed me.
Then
yeah.
there was no holding back Malli.
Radha was the best person to make anybody a president or motivate them. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I ran out of excuses. I had to say yes.
Listen, we all had these issues, okay? So we, some reason or other, we had to. No, but
No,
it's a good thing to be president. Actually, at the end of the year,
Actually,
you
it
feel
is a
very
good thing.
happy.
Actually, it is a good thing. Yeah.
In the beginning, you're very
problem was
nervous.
I wasn't sure whether I will be able to give a commitment for 1 year. Then look at me. What have I gone and done?
And you know, the way the district is changing, the president having lot of fun also, doing lot of work also.
Yeah.
And they are getting lot of importance also.
Yeah.
Altogether, everything is there. Along with the responsibility, they are getting lot of importance also.
Mm.
And confidence.
Yes.
Yes.
Confidence. Yeah, you're right. Nita.
Absolutely,
No
Rita, you're right.
confidence they gain in themselves, ma. I'm telling, if you are the club president, they are getting lot of importance in everything. Like, yes, you are a talavari of one club, and you will get many things to do, and like they will ask you many things for the decision also. It's not only the work only.
Yeah.
Okay. So ladies, I think Lakshmi specifically asked me for the qualification. So for a club, this is at the club level. To be a president or a vice president, you must have served on the club executive committee for at least 1 year. Okay. And the post can be held for a maximum of 2 consecutive years. But both the times you have to be, if there is an election, you will have to be re-elected each of the years. Okay. Secretary, again, the maximum period is 3 consecutive years, and there again it would be good if you've been an executive committee member, but sometimes clubs are not in a position to dictate those terms. So in that case, then what to do? You have to learn from your predecessor. For the immediate past president, she is not eligible to take up a post in the club the following year. That is known as her fallow year. And I think except if you're continuing as the president, of course, if you're doing the second term president like Supriya did, anybody else that did? No. Supriya is only
Plenty. No, plenty. Sandy recently.
Right?
No, but Sandy Nadulu or version gap.
Yeah, she was not continuous.
Okay.
Supriya only consecutive years.
Okay. Okay. I thought too many have done it. Okay.
No.
Too many. I don't think of many.
Nobody
not
has
continuous.
repeated, no.
Member is
Where
again
only
elected.
Sandy. Where are
That's why we want to motivate all the members so that they don't come as
Supriya has 2 years.
Many
only
clubs
Supriya
pass.
and Sandy?
No,
Jayesh
Geeta, in
Rajam
many
also,
clubs,
I think.
I have seen past presidents taking again post with want of people taking a post.
Yeah, that is different.
No,
Our clubs
even
are lucky they have not
Supriya's
reached that
case,
situation.
we had to ask her, no, Radha.
Huh?
For the second year, we actually asked her to stay on
No,
for 1 more
because
year.
Revati was supposed to become.
Exactly. So
She
she,
had her professional problem, so Supriya agreed to continue.
yeah. So in cases like that, it can happen. Okay. And for a member of the executive committee for maximum of 2 years, you can be on the committee. And then you're expected to move up.
Okay.
And then there is a restriction in office. An inner-wheel member who is also a member of Rotary cannot hold posts in both the organizations.
Okay.
One second.
I have one question.
Committee, Mallika. Sorry.
Is
Can I
that
just
right?
finish?
Yeah. Tell me,
This
Geeta.
elected for 1 year, the exec committee. So you do it for 2 years, and then you take a gap, and then you can obviously come back.
Yeah, you
again.
take a gap and you can come back.
Come back again. Yeah.
But you're not expected to go up. You said you have to go up the ladder. So is it like compulsory that
No, you go up. You can't just be the 6 executive committee members. Just don't stay at that level for more than 2 years.
Okay.
You can become an officer.
Okay.
You're encouraged to become an officer.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can't be forced into it.
I like the way you put it, Geeta.
That the encouragement comes in with a sting of phone calls. Anyway. So next thing is about membership, ladies. So first of all, we are all members of our club. We are not directly members of the district or of the association or of the international inner wheel. We are members of the club.
Oh.
It is our club that is a member of the district, the association, and international.
Okay.
Each individual member does not directly come under them. Okay. So that is one thing. And secondly, it is like we have 3 kinds of membership. A lot of us here we are active members. Earlier, there used to be a lot of restriction. Nalini was talking about the Rotarians. At one time, we were only women, wives of Rotarians, and then they said family members of Rotarians, and then a whole bunch of things. Now we don't have to be related to any Rotary member, Rotarians or Inner Wheel members, or Interactor, Rotaractor, all that kind of thing. All these people could become active members. But now it is open to any woman above the age of 18 years. Well, and this is open only to women. Okay, membership in Inner Wheel is open only to women. I have had many men ask you, why don't you take us? You seem to be having a lot of fun.
We're having fun because they're not there.
Have them around.
Exactly.
So that's what. So we
But
are
do
all.
we welcome new clubs or something? Suppose you said you open to anybody above 18. I mean, anybody can form this club, or do you have some rules, or you have
On paper, actually, you need to have a minimum of 10 members, but any club that starts with 10 members does not survive because there is not enough people. People will leave and go, and then it's a problem. So usually they expect you to have at least 18 to 20 members when you start. And if you have this member, anybody that if you have 18 to 20 members, that
You
will
mean there are
start.
no guidelines that you have to do this, or you have to do so much of social service?
First of all, you will contact, if you want to go through, if you know a club that you want to go through, you can contact the club directly and they might sponsor you. They think they're fine.
The Rotary Club.
Otherwise, you no, Inner Wheel Club.
No Rotary is required nowadays.
Oh,
Rotary
I
is
see.
not
Okay,
required.
I didn't know that. Okay.
That's an old-time rule. Old-time rule. Now
Who did not know that?
Rita again.
Me.
Geeta. Oh, okay. No, we have completely divorced ourselves from the Rotary.
Yeah.
From Rotary.
From Rotary.
Oh,
And if the people bring too many,
that's new. Yeah, okay.
Geeta, if people brings too many Rotary rules in our organization, the seniors of the Rotary and we both, seniors of Inner Wheel and members of Inner Wheel don't like it.
Okay,
No, there are lots of things that are very different from Rotary to us. First of all, people that are used to Rotary keep referring to the executive committee as the board, which itself is a very, we find it very hard to tolerate. And then in the Rotary, decisions are made at the board.
Okay.
Whereas in Inner Wheel, decisions are always general body meetings.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are more democratic that way.
And also somehow in Inner Wheel, there is a continuity in the projects mostly, like not all the projects, but Rotary
also has continuity in projects.
But some clubs follow. All the big clubs have got continuous project and all this.
Depends
so
on
is
the
this
club.
officially did we separate, or is it just happened as it
They
happened?
were officially always separate, two completely independent organizations.
Okay.
But somehow,
Always.
especially in India, we needed to be joined at the hip with Rotary.
No, originally it will be sponsored by Rotary and they'll be handing holds for us to work also. They're hosting the meeting, everything originally.
Yes,
we're talking about 30 years ago.
Yeah, we have surpassed.
No, what happens is in smaller places when Rotary is there and then an Inner Wheel gets formed, Inner Wheel generally functions more as an ancillary to the
Rotary. Exactly.
No, that's not actually that's in practice.
It's not must. But
we are completely independent organizations.
Okay, fine.
Actually, many years ago, apparently, even the Rotary Convention, Inner Wheel Convention happened around the same time. I know in our district, Inner Wheel conference happened in another hall along with the Rotary conference.
Yeah.
But then slowly we have come out of all that. Now we are completely independent organizations. We keep inviting the Rotary governor and doing all that kind of things, only more for old time's sake, actually.
Okay.
And they also keep supporting and doing that. So it's more like two independent but supportive organizations. Let's put it like that.
Like so many other NGOs also come together to work towards the goodness of the society.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No, this connection is a little bit more than that,
That's right. That's right.
because we do have a history to, so that's how it is.
Okay,
Okay.
we're totally independent. Okay.
No, and
Yes,
the history was
independent.
also monetary initially because I mean, Inner Wheel obviously didn't have too much fund. Any club.
Even now in some of the
Yeah.
more remote parts and all that, there is this monetary contributions coming in and all that. but,
Exactly. Because most of the husbands are Rotarians anyway. So
and you do have cases where both the husband and wife take up president in their clubs.
yes.
All that used to happen at one time. But now I think there are more clubs without a Rotary club than clubs with.
Okay.
So, okay, let's go to the next category of honored active. This is an honored active member. It's an honored active membership is a conferred. It's an honor conferred on the past presidents or some senior members who have paid. When the club pays the dues for the member only in the year that they are made honored active. Thereafter, the member is supposed to pay for her thing. In our club, we have kind of every PDC is an honored active member here. So generally, but we have all ended up paying our dues ourselves. So we have been doing that. So that's what is about the honored active. And honorary member is any person, prominent person in the society.
Not necessarily PDCs. It can be.
It can
club feels
any member that has made some outstanding contribution to the club.
Yeah, she can be made. The club has to decide. But
in our club, we have been doing that with the PDC.
yeah.
Is there any other honored active member? I don't think so. No. So honorary member is a person in the society who you feel a prominent person or somebody that can be very useful for your inner wheel. So then you can make her a member, honorary member. She does not pay her dues. You pay her dues. At a time, you can have a maximum of 4. And an honorary member's membership has got to be re-elected every year. Every year you have to pass her accept her membership in a general body meeting. And an honorary member cannot have a vote in the club.
And Mali, we pay the dues for them. For the honorary member, do you pay?
Honorary members, we have to pay the dues.
Not eligible to vote where? You're saying at the...
Not eligible to vote in the club. Anyway, no member votes anywhere else. She cannot hold a post.
No, are you talking about even if you're discussing a project or something, she doesn't have a say in the matter? Like
no, she doesn't have a say in the matter. She doesn't make decisions. She doesn't make any decisions in the club. So that's how it is. Lakshmi, any doubts there? Any doubts about the membership? Okay, club meetings. So we have to hold a minimum of 10 meetings in a year. Okay. And 10 general meetings and 10 executive committee meetings. And every general meeting has got to be preceded by at least 1 executive committee meeting. Okay, it has to be preceded. Not just have it any time and every time. At least 1, because if you feel the need to hold a second one, you may go ahead and do that. Okay. Projects and programs are discussed at the executive committee meetings. decisions are made only at the general body meetings. Okay, so what does the executive committee do? There is a program coming up. You can check out the viability, all that, doing all that legwork, finding out this detail, finding out that detail, or about a project, checking out its viability and all that. And when you find that this is a viable project, you find it's an honest project, it's a good one, then you put it across to your general body, and then we make a decision whether we are doing this or not doing it. So decision is with the general body, and a quorum required for the general body meeting is 4 members of the executive committee, of
That's
which
all.
at least 2 will have to be club officers. That is, at least of the president, vice president, immediate past, secretary and treasurer, at least 2 of them have to be there. And then 2 other members, and from the executive in total, at least 4 have to be there, and 20% of the members in total. So we are 53, so 20% of that will make our quorum.
Okay.
But in that 20%, we have to have all this. 4 club executive members.
And 2.
And 2. Let me go to the previous one, please. The executive committee meeting, you have to have 4 members of the executive committee and at least 2 officers. Okay, okay, you can change now. Okay, finances. The financial year, Inner Wheel year itself is from July 1st to June 30th. Financial year is also from July 1st to June 30th. And every club has got to have 2 accounts, the admin account or the project account. In our club, the project account is the trust account. About the trust, Radha has how they were formed and all that. We will go to Radha for information on that later. The signatories of both admin account and the project account. The signatories of both accounts are, the first signatory is the treasurer, and the second signatory can be either the president or the secretary. So that's the way it works. The treasurer has got to have signed that the check. And the second one can be either the president or the secretary. Usually it is the president. The secretary comes in only when the president is not available or you need to take a check in a hurry. But that I would advise that always check with the president. If a secretary needs to put the second signature, please always check with the president if you can do it, because she is the one finally responsible for the club. So please do not go signing check, secretary. Though you are a signatory, please don't go signing a check without the president say so. Okay.
Okay.
It's always a joint account, right?
It is a joint. No, there is the treasurer who's the first signatory. Second signatory is either the president or the secretary, Nalini.
Yeah.
Usually
Together.
it's the president that signs.
But 2 of them have, I thought 2 of them have to sign, not
Yes,
just
yes.
one of them.
2 of them have to
Have
sign.
to sign.
Yeah.
Have to sign. But I'm saying even the second
yeah.
signatory for the secretary, please get an okay from the president before you put in the signature.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Basically, I'm saying nothing should happen without the president knowing in the club.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Good.
Okay. Any excess funds in the administrative account may be transferred to the project account after passing a resolution in a general body meeting.
Okay.
So usually we do that at the end of the year. We take stock of how much money we have and how much we need to leave in the administrative account to take care of the next year's needs. Until at least the dues come in. And then we pass a resolution to say that we can transfer this money. Or if we do have a big project coming up and there is not enough funds in the project account for that, and we think it's a good one that we can do, at that time also we can look at the administrative account and then see if you can transfer any money. So you can do this from the admin to the project, but never ever from the project to the admin account.
Okay.
Can someone tell me why we need to be like that?
Because auditor itself will not allow, you cannot use charity accounts fund for any other.
Auditor will not allow, but why will the auditor not allow, Usha?
Because charity account in the charity fund has to be used in charity only.
Correct.
For the
Why?
specific
Why?
purpose.
Why? Yeah, it was collected for that specific purpose.
Tax view, yeah, taxes.
Money.
Yeah.
No, not the
No,
taxes.
no.
No. Whoever gave money to the project account have given it only for the projects of the club. We cannot take that money and use it for our administration. That's the reason why you cannot do it.
And for the new club, new members' knowledge, if suppose one member, I say X member has given the money for this project and that project is not happening, it's a precedent and EC says this thing, you have to ask X member, this project is not happening, what you want, can we transfer
Yes.
it for another project?
Yes.
We cannot return you the money.
Okay.
After the person's permission only we can use for like another project. It is not, if this project has not happened, money is given to our club, we can use for anything. No.
Are you sure we cannot return the money?
Huh? Because from charity account, we cannot take it out money,
Yeah.
Malli.
No, ma. If
No.
a member has, I think you need to check with the auditor about that.
No, because I checked with the auditor, I'll tell you very clear, because when the money came for rainwater harvesting from particular person and I wanted to transfer, he told you can transfer for any project, you cannot give any person or anybody the name of.
You cannot give any person, but
So
if your project is.
no, suppose Malli,
You
I'll
can't
give you
use it for anything else.
Yeah, any other project you can use it. Malli, I'll give you one example. Suppose Dusha gave 2 lakh rupees for a surgery project. The surgery is not happening.
Okay.
You cannot return that money to Usha again because this project is not happening. If I tell you I'm not interested, they cannot return from the charity account to me. They can use for any other project after my concern.
Hello, Maitri.
I don't know.
Meeting la irukene na meeting la ella phone pandrenga
It makes sense, no, Malika. It makes sense.
It
Once-
makes sense, Geeta, but I also.
Actually,
that the money.
No, Malli, for that I'm 100% sure. Money once come in, you can't return to a person. You can send to the, the beneficiary you can transfer. Beneficiary person.
You can send the money to the beneficiary, not give it back to the sponsor. Okay.
Yes.
All right, great. Okay.
Okay, that's important, yeah.
Okay, that's important. Okay.
I have a basic doubt.
So,
What funds the administrative account now? I mean, how do the funds come into that?
The funds come into from the subscriptions.
So
Can
all
you
subscriptions-
actually stop the sharing the screen and make a comment so everybody can see everything?
No,
Sorry,
I can see
no,
me,
it's
no.
okay. We can.
No, it's okay. Let that be, because let's not struggle with that afterwards. No, the thing is, what was the question?
The question was,
Where's the money coming
administrative
from?
account. Yeah,
How
where
does
is
the money from your subscriptions only?
So the administrative account is all the members' subscriptions, and the
Members'
project account would be like people giving in directly to some
People giving it
particular
directly
project.
or money that we transferred from the admin to the project account, either of those.
Vaishnavi,
Or by-
basically, when there's too much money in the administrative account, but like the last 2 years, we haven't had any lunches or dinners or any celebration. So a lot of money accumulates and it's just sitting there doing nothing. So you decide how much the incoming president now is going to need for next year, and the rest can go in for a charitable cause. Why keep
Yeah.
it
Okay.
lying fallow there?
Yeah, that's one thing. And we used to do fundraising when we didn't have money.
And we can make a
So
FD also.
fundraising is for the projects, Nalini.
Mm.
The only income into the admin account is subscriptions.
Yep.
That is why when
Subscription.
our meeting expenses go up, we have to increase the subscription.
And Malli, we can do the fundraising for one simple fund like administrative project also. We can do the fundraising like
No, you
supposing
cannot.
no, we can see for conference and all we
Usha,
are
we
taking the
cannot, Usha.
sponsorship. No, if suppose we are doing a 25th year celebration, we are taking the sponsorship, no? For our this.
Okay, that way you're saying, that way. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. If you're taking sponsorship for an event, yes. If we can get a sponsorship for our chairman's visit and installations also, great, wonderful. But otherwise, what the administrative accounts funds is these two meetings, the installation and the chairman's visit, and our regular meetings and the EC meetings and all that. That is what it is supposed to fund, apart from our stationery and stuff like that.
Also, our
So that's what.
What did you say apart from? I didn't hear that part.
You're asking me, Geeta?
Yeah, Mali. You said apart
No,
from something.
apart from the installation and chairman's visit, our club meetings and EC meetings and our stationery.
Stationery. Yeah, I mean, these days we don't even have postal charges or anything.
We
so-
don't have any postal and any of those things. Earlier, that used to be quite a chunk of the money we had.
And also any
At that
gift,
point.
price, everything. If we are giving
Any
some
gifts.
gift for the chief guest, all this
Memento.
comes from the administrative.
Any mementos is all
All
from
that
here.
comes. Anything
Okay,
other than
is
the
a
project.
subscription.
Yeah, anything other
Mali.
than project. Even ISO event, we have been giving from club account.
One
Yes,
second.
ISO events also is from club account only.
Yeah.
Okay,
Any
Mali is a
program that you
subscription amount
organize.
same for all the clubs.
No,
No.
each club fixes its own subscription amount.
Oh,
Actually,
Yeah, naturally.
really?
We are
One moment.
independent, Rita. What we do inside our district is different. We might
Oh, I
decide
see.
to hold our meetings in a 5-star hotel every month.
That's good.
Then
Yeah.
we will have to fund it.
District dues
Okay.
are fixed for everybody.
District dues are fixed. Yeah,
District
district dues are.
dues, what goes to the district, what goes to the association from the subscription we pay,
Okay.
a large chunk of it is for the club.
Okay.
Some amount goes to the district, some amount goes to the association, and some amount goes to the international.
Oh,
And
But
then we
those
set
those
aside one
amounts are
moment.
fixed per member.
No, Malli,
One
but
moment.
that we do not do. We just pay the district dues.
No.
Like
They
we
will be
pay
sending us
500 to district. It is fixed for all the clubs. Every club per member is paying 500 only.
Which,
Whether
which
their
includes,
subscription is
Acha,
5,000
acha,
rupees
okay.
or 1,500 rupees.
Okay.
which includes, like Malli says, it includes international, national amount. So we pay it as a chunk and they pay
We
the.
pay to the district,
also,
district
Malli-
in turn pays it to the association, association in turn
Yeah.
pays it to international.
Yeah.
We go in that step.
One moment. Also, we used to set aside something for the project, Malli. If it is 5,000, 3,000 for club and 2,000 project or
No,
1,000.
Nalini, that
We used to do something like that.
We
That's
used to do, we are doing now only. because
Even
now
on-
the
even-
has increased.
That's the point,
Before there
Malli.
was no money.
now
No.
we are doing that
They can
when
all
we
see
pay
you.
the subscription,
Hey,
some amount per member,
And
some
yeah,
amount
you-
per
you
member
see.
is taken for the project account, and that money goes into the project account.
Bye.
What we did was, because we increased the subscription, 500 into how many members directly comes first time itself to the trust account.
And
அப்படி
Radha,
சொல்லிதான் we increase. No, அப்படி சொல்லிதான் we increase.
Radha, many
Mama.
clubs, they take a 2 check, one for administrative account, one for project. Not in our club, in the district, many clubs are taking
You
like that.
You can do that.
I know.
Many clubs do that. You can do that also.
No, but for past few years, we have made it that whatever subscription, 3,000 and 4,000 ana kuda, members should get a feel that their money is being used for projects also.
Okay.
Beginning itself, 500 into
That-
how
that
much,
is
1152, whatever members are there.
That's
500
also
goes
decided by
straight to the
club.
trust account. Yes.
Yeah,
So
decided by
there
the
is
club.
money, always money for the new president to start with some project. We have not faced that problem. I'm just telling you.
No, it's all budgeted right in the beginning. Like
Yeah.
how much we need for this, that and that, and how much we set aside for project, because number of project, you can even have a project forecast and plan accordingly and fundraise if necessary, all that.
Project forecast you can do with the existing project, continuous projects, Nalini. Mattadalla, how do you do
What
that?
I'm saying
You
is
know,
it's
when you don't have
basically-
funds, we can
Yeah. We do
fundraise.
all that as a management for corporate. We really act
Yeah.
like. what do
But
they
luckily
do?
in our club, we are not fundraising because fund comes on its own.
Yeah,
So far.
correct. So far, funds
Fundraising,
come on its own.
funding,
We are in a very happy position, actually.
Great.
Yeah. Okay. So when you want to know about our club, I would like to say the integrity and everything. Mali, you want to meet.
கண்ணு போடாதீங்க.
கண்ணு போடல. நீங்க
முடிச்சிடுறேன், இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் தான் இருக்கு. போட வேண்டாம்.
Vasanti and Malli, for the information of new members, I was from the district. Many people envy our club because of our unity. We are very good. Like, you know, whenever we sit also, we sit together. When we do the project, we do the project together.
Most clubs sit together only.
Malli, you don't know, dear. You don't know. In one club, there is a 5 groups. One people will just yes.
Some of the newer clubs are having a lot of interactions.
Malli, older club also, dear. Don't bring the dreams. Even for the older clubs also. But in our club, you know, the president need to, we have to, too many question answer we put in front of her and she reply also. For example, I will tell you, this wall painting, we have not liked it. We put many questions in front of Anita. She replied also. Then she told, no, before I could say the project is happening, we told, okay, Anita, we will accept this project. You do it. We like it. It's okay. But in future, you have to put in front of us. In many clubs, they are not accepting. They are making the president. Why? How you can do it? That is the beauty of our club. We accepted and we told her, okay, we are with you.
Basically, we don't let down our own members.
Yes, we don't want to let down our own member. That is our unity, ma. It is very important to express in front of our new members.
It is very important.
Malli, after you do your official thing, I would like to say about the club, or you yourself can tell.
No. You will have to talk about the club. I have already said you're only going to be saying. There's just a few more slides. I'll just finish off. Lakshmi, Mahatma. Okay. Expenses incurred in carrying out the work of the club, including organizing meetings, programs, all this we just spoke about, shall be met from the club administrative fund only. Funds from project account will be used only for projects. All payments should be done by check. Where only cash transactions is possible, a voucher must be signed by the person receiving the cash, or you can even do it by the person giving the cash. And our accounts are audited every year. And there is an audit file of the club into which the audit report goes, and every chairman that comes to visit the club during the chairman's visit, she asks for to see the previous year's audit report. Actually, we have to have that audit report by then, otherwise she was not going to accept it. And technically, in any club, any audit report should be available for any member to scrutinize if you want to. So that's it about the thing. Okay, about the voting. Okay, the president and the secretary are the voting delegates of the club usually.
Okay.
They vote during the elections, and they also vote for propose and second resolutions at any district committee meeting.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So,
thank you, Mommy.
Committee meeting for the
Radha, mute, please.
Oh, sorry.
Any of the new members, are you familiar with the district committee meeting that term? What we had the business session during the conference, that is a district committee meeting. It is a meeting where proposals and other things that have to be passed or accepted, they will be discussed, and passing and accepting will go on, and the voting delegates for that are the district EC as well as the voting delegates of the club, that is the president and secretary. Okay, that is the district committee meeting, and that's where these people vote. Apart from the conference and assembly, there can be district committee meetings called for at other times in the year when the district needs to pass some resolutions. Okay, and for that, the president and secretary need to attend. Voting in elections, again, the club voting delegates are president and secretary. If you are 50, you get 2 votes. president and secretary will vote. If you're more than 50, like in our club, we get a third vote, and the third voting delegate is usually appointed by passing a resolution in the general body meeting. It can be another officer of the club, that is either the treasurer or immediate past or a VP or whatever, whoever is attending the meeting. If that is not possible, one of the EC members. If that's not possible, any of the past presidents also can be appointed for that. So that, and then in the association election, association and international election, the clubs get one vote each. The votes come directly to the club. The decision of any voting, whether it's in the district conference, association or international, the decision is made only at the general body meeting. So if there is a president and a secretary and one of her friends is standing for an election in the district, and she cannot say, I want to vote for my friend. It is the club decision. Whoever your club says, you have to vote for that person. Okay. So that's the way it goes. And then club election, I'm talking here at the club level. Office bearers may be chosen by us and demanded. However, the officers will have to be elected by ballot. In case of a tie, the president has the casting vote. That's about club elections when we do hold them. When and if we do hold them. Okay, what is the process of nominating to the district office? First of all, only a past president of a club can be nominated to the office. When I say past president, like she has to have been a past president. Okay, now Anita cannot nominate for the, as I file a nomination for the district because she is not a past president yet. So you have to have been your past president of the club to be able to nominate for an office in the district. And then another restriction has been brought in recently, that a voting delegate of the club. So anyway, president is out, voting delegate cannot nominate, send in a nomination also, because they feel it's an unnecessary influence on the others who are voting. So even the secretary of the club, if she is a voting delegate, if she wants to nominate, she cannot anyway nominate. So that's what it is. Only a president can nominate. The entry-level posts are district ISO and editor. And eligibility for that is she should have been a past president of a club at the time of nomination.
And also, Malvi, consecutive 2 years, we cannot put a member for the district.
Yeah, right.
This is a new norms,
okay.
No?
What?
Yes.
What?
Yes. What? We can't nominate, if you all you can't have a member of your club holding, how shall I put that, Usha?
Like ISO and editor is an entering post, no, like this year you have put one member.
This year Supriya was the editor. So we cannot nominate another person for the post of ISO.
Yes.
That's the way it goes.
Yeah. Like 1 year and next year you cannot put, you have to give the gap of at least 2 years.
Two of your members that you nominate, they have to be at least 2 years apart when they enter the district. Like if you're nominating a person this year, you cannot nominate a person next year or the year after that. Okay. That is if the first person gets voted.
Yeah, yeah. If the one person entered in the district,
person, she wins the election, she goes on to become an executive committee member. Then for the next 2 years, you cannot nominate another member. Okay. This is for the benefit of all those of you who are thinking of nominating. First become presidents. Then, yeah, eligibility is the nominee should have been ISO or editor or currently serving in the post. That is, a sitting ISO or editor can nominate for secretary or treasurer, or she can go for the other post also, whichever, like Supriya has done. A member who has completed with the post of secretary or treasurer is technically eligible to be nominated for the post of the ESO, vice chairman, or even the chairman. In practice, though, she is nominated for the post of ESO. So that becomes the next level. After the secretary and treasurer, the next level is the ESO, and then you have the vice chairman, and then you have the chair. That's the way it goes. And AC member eligibility, usually the immediate past chairman is the AC member, like Usha is the AC member this year, but the post is it can be held only by a PDC, by a past district chairman. Like in case for some reason, Usha cannot be the AC member this year. She has some responsibilities that keep her away from her post. Then another PDC can be nominated for the post of AC member. Okay. The proposal to nominate a member to a particular post has to be passed as a resolution in a general body meeting. Form that you receive from the district secretary, it's got to be filled carefully, properly, with no mistakes, and then sent to the, there will be a lot of instructions. You have to follow those instructions very carefully. If any of them are followed, the nomination can become invalid. So you have to follow all that instruction and make sure you send in the nomination before the last day. Then the district election process, the district secretary sends the nomination forms to all clubs that are eligible to nominate a member to the district. Why do I say that? Because now any new club cannot nominate a member to the district until it is 5 years since they have been chartered. Okay. And for that restriction, you have me to thank.
And Malli, you can tell
Clubs
them.
send in their nominations before the last date. I can tell them what, Nalini?
There is a constitution and bylaw book, both association. Okay, fine.
So clubs send in their nominations before the last date, having passed a resolution and filled in properly and all that. You send it in to the before the last date to whichever address they have asked you to send it to. And then after that, the district holds a scrutiny committee that will look at all the nominations that they have got, and they will check them for validity. Any form that is not complete or is not correctly filled, has the year wrong or any mistake there, or if the person has nominated for a post that she is not eligible for, that candidate will be made invalid. And the scrutiny committee sends a report of the president secretary sends a scrutiny committee's report to all the clubs. Nominees are given time to withdraw, usually about 4 or 5 days a week maximum, depending on how much time they have to withdraw in case they want to. After that, the final list is sent to all clubs. And elections are held usually during the district conference in the business session. It is most convenient to hold it in the district conference because people attend, but there have been occasions where they have been held at other times also. There is a very important rule for the election is that in Innoville, there is absolutely no canvassing. Members who canvass after the final list of the nomination is sent to the club or have someone canvass on their behalf may be disqualified. Candidates are expected to withdraw from the social media until after the election. Of course, before the final list is sent out, what you do is your own business. Okay. Now let's look at the Innoville events. International Innoville Convention. We have 3 events in Innoville. I'm sorry. 3 events in Innoville that comes every 3rd year. One is the International Innoville Convention, which is held at every third year, and that is where the constitution is amended. The year following that is usually the triennial conference, again held every third year. This is where the bylaws are amended. The association bylaws are amended. And then the third year, you have the South Asia Rally. This is nothing official here. It's a friendship rally in which members of Innovate clubs in South Asia region participate. Again, a third year, and then after that, again, the following year, you will have the international convention. So that's the way it goes. Lakshmi? District events. One is the district assembly held in the new Innovate year. So it's usually, it is held in June, just so that all clubs can have their installations in July. Actually, we're not vying for a date, but basically, it's a very first event of the Innovate year. It marks the beginning of the Innovate year. And this meeting has three parts to it. One is the inaugural session, where the new district executive committee takes up office, a parade of new members, and maybe even new presidents and secretaries and office bearers and all that happens. A chief guest can be invited to this program, usually is, and then you can invite other family, friends, whoever. That is, the chairman does that. Then you have the business session, where reports of the previous year are read, resolutions for the coming year are passed, and if there are any awards to be given to any clubs, that's also done. Sometimes even a charter presentation is done at assemblies and conferences. Then there is the briefing session. In our district, the briefing session is held earlier to the assembly, because we're all not very far from each other, but some other districts which are very far-flung districts, they try to combine it along with the district conference, because when members come, they can all do it all together. This is briefing the incoming club officers on what they ought to be doing in their posts, and what the district expects of them. So that's the briefing session. Next, Lakshmi.
Yeah.
The district conference. This comes sometime usually in January, except in a triennial year like this, it was in December. This again has two parts. The association president is the chief guest of this event. Therefore, we do not have any other guests or guest speakers here. So this again has three parts. The inaugural session, which has the presentation by the district chairman of the last 6 months activity, release of the district's winner, maybe a newsletter if the chairman is coming out with one. And then there is the association president addresses us on how she finds our district. So this is what happens in the inaugural session. This again has the business session, which gives the reports for the first 6 years, and then 6 months. The resolutions are again passed. Some more resolutions will be passed here. The resolutions pertaining to the next district, next year. Resolutions pertaining to the next year are generally passed here. Like for the briefing and all that kind of stuff will get done here. The association president conveys her impression on the functioning of the district. The district rally, this again in our district is combined with the district conference, also for the sake of convenience, because members do come there. But it can be held at any other time in the year when the association president is going to be here. In some districts, they don't make it an inter-district thing, where they invite other districts also to participate. And this usually happens separately, not in conjunction with the district conference. So this provides a nice gala event there. And
So
then,
1 second, Malik. This district conference, it has a person like a chairman. Something was there in the last one, right? Like what is the role of that chairman there? Anita was. doing something there, right?
Let's go back to
And
the previous thing.
previous
Okay.
one, yeah, the district conference, what was
So,
like as
I
president?
think I've made some assumptions when I do this. Yeah, when see the chairman is the district chairman. Oh, you're talking about the chairman
No,
of
that's
the
just
event.
of the event, of the event.
Talking about the conference chairman.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Usually we appoint a president, a sitting president, as the conference chairman. Anita was the conference chairman.
Right.
As the chairman, secretary, and treasurer, they're supposed to carry out some of the work in relation to organizing this event.
Okay.
In our every conference and assembly will have a thing. There is something unique in our district that we do with the conference as well as the assembly. It's that it is the district that organizes it, and there we appoint a sitting president, and we have the program. The letter, the club presidents, all club presidents would have gotten a letter from Anita. And the treasurer would have gotten a communication from the association and the conference treasurer about registrations, right? Do we have our club side treasurer here? No. Lakshmi, did you get a letter from the secretary? The conference secretary?
Only one letter comes.
Only one letter to the president. Only one letter goes to the president.
This year Mali actually she'd asked me to send the letters to all the presidents and the treasurers.
Okay.
This always happens, not only
treasurers
this
get
year.
the letter for the registration.
Malli, if I may interrupt, I think Priya's question will be answered like conference chairman helps with her team, helps out organizing the whole event, though the leader is the district chairman.
Yeah.
For that event, she is the conference
For that
chairman.
event, she is the chairman.
Ama. She's the leader of the organizing committee. She's
event chairman. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. It's one-time job, just a 2 months job or whatever you call it. Yeah.
Okay. And she
Priya-
volunteers for it?
No,
Yeah.
No,
that's not
usually
noticed.
the chairman chooses.
Now she's
that's
nominated.
okay.
She accepts.
Chooses.
Okay.
She
Yeah,
can
in
refuse.
other district, no, the club, there is a host clubs. In our
Yeah.
district, the district hosts the conference. In other, there is a 2-3
Okay.
club together host this event.
No,
Okay,
even one
okay.
club can. Actually, the chairman will ask any club to host it. So there will be a host club for any event.
In
It
other
can be
districts.
the chairman, the association president's own club.
Yes. That means it
No,
varies
that's
from district to district.
the
We'll not go
chairman's
into
own
that.
club or any other club also. But usually they ask the club to host it. And the chairman, secretary, and treasurer, everybody will come from that club only. That club will take up organizing the complete event.
Whole event. Okay.
And
Very good.
Malli,
Yeah,
I
what you
request you to explain them why in the business session, every financial matter is passed by resolution and got approval, because the district money is from the club members. It is not district's property. For
Yeah,
that, they get it passed, all the resolution, can we increase the budget for OT, club officer training, or anything we want to use any finance of the district.
All financial matters I actually put to vote with the voting delegates and the
Yeah, because it's a members, it's from the members of district.
It's the general body meeting of the whole district. Hold all the district. All
No, but the
clubs of
vote,
district will
they
approve or
they
disapprove.
go, no, Nalini, they ask, what Usha is saying is, why are they asking the clubs to vote on this? Auto pass, propose second, and all that
Yeah,
kind of thing.
resolution, why we are
It is
putting as a
because-
resolution. So you
Because
explain
any
that.
money that comes into the district comes only from clubs or from members of various clubs. So that the money does not build. After giving it also, it's still your money. You have a say in that money. So that's what it is. Like,
Yeah, in a district, clubs
Yeah.
are the units. In a club,
yeah.
every member
And
is
when
a
it comes
unit.
to the you will find that you will have to also pass the budget. They will make a budget. All that you will only have to do it because you have a say in that. Most clubs, most presidents and secretaries actually, thanks Usha, they are not aware that they have a say in that, because most people treat it like, okay, in the first 2 rows, there are a few people that are asking a whole bunch of questions. Let them do whatever. We don't understand what is happening.
That is why we call the secretary and president as district committee.
Huh?
They are the district committee members.
They are the district committee members. So any of these decisions that all these proposals, resolutions, or once the account is passed, they ask for a proposer and a seconder, because it is the money that belongs to all the that came from the clubs.
Can I explain by the example, Manli? Like last year, when I did the district conference, I have an excess of 2 lakh rupees. I passed the resolution in the assembly explaining the members, there is a 2 lakh rupees excess from the conference money. If with your permission, can I transfer it to the district account, and we will use this for any good project? If you tell me, please discuss with us, I would have discussed with all the club members. There's like a president, secretary, and members in another forum. But they told, no, it's okay. You can use that money, consulting with the district TC. That resolution was passed and it was transferred in the district account. And this year, when there was a this flood came, no, we used that money discussing the EC bill. Can we donate this 2 lakh of rupees for that flood relief?
Yeah, what she's trying to say is, if she hadn't passed the resolution saying she can make the decision with just the EC member, then Usha would have had to come back to the district committee to make the decision one more time. One more DC meeting would have to be held. So that is what is the importance that the voting delegates have. So understand, and please from our club, pay attention to whatever, because only when you pay attention, you will know.
And we can oppose also. It's not necessary that we have to accept only.
Yes.
That means the GB members have got right to tell their views.
Yes.
Strictly speaking.
These resolution and accounts and all that, is it sent to the clubs before the conference or the assembly?
It was sent for a couple of years. I know when I was chairman, I sent. It was done for a couple of years, and then it again went back to the old pattern of just doing it there.
Accounts and all we don't send, Magita. It is not, because the people start asking too many questions. Unnecessary questions they will start asking.
But other resolutions?
Other
It's not presented. No, it's presented in the minutes book. Following minutes book.
Gita, other resolutions are standard things like change of signatories in bank account, appointment.
Okay. No, but if it's anything
auditor,
major,
all that kind of.
the onus is on the president
If anything,
to discuss it with her club and then take a decision back.
Yes, it is. If it is,
It is like
if
that.
it is a major issue.
Gita,
But actually speaking, even conference money, it is not district money. Usually the chairman raises money separately for conference. Strictly speaking, we cannot question actually.
Money is not district money,
but of late we are doing.
Money is not district money. Actually, it is the chairman raises that funds or somebody that gives it for the chairman. Completely true. It is not. But
you have to submit
committee
account
for
and have
the
it
decision.
Yeah, but Gita, of late only there has been surplus in conference account and they decide. Before all, only admin work we were doing. I'm telling you. Only of late past 5 years.
I think this question is different. Gita, Constitution and bylaw, we have to go through the clubs. We will together sit up and come back.
That's what I'm saying. Because suddenly you talk to the president and secretary about it, they don't even know which way to go.
No, president's meet solva.
Can I explain? I know that we started doing this from the year Sushi was chairman. I know that I as chairman did that.
Yeah, even I continued to send the resolution.
Yeah. Radha also sent, because she came right after Sushi. We for a few years we did that. We
but
sent out.
Few senior PDCs were objected that. They
We
said,
sent
no,
out
only in GB you have to.
we sent out to the clubs. Sushi, in fact, even held a separate DC meeting to vote and all that, but then they decided that's a waste of time because anyway, we had to repeat the process in the conference. Actually not needed, but they
Not
went and
needed.
did it.
I know.
Geeta,
Not needed.
I'll tell you when there is a major decision comes, no, like when last year there was a 12A pass of for the district, that all we had a separate district committee meeting and we told them to discuss in their clubs. There
That's
was
what
this
I'm
kind
saying.
of, yeah, we are having a district committee meeting. We are explaining to president and secretary and we request them to discuss in their club, then come back to us
There is
and
nothing
then we
wrong
pass
in
the conference or assembly.
Usha, there is nothing wrong in sending out the resolutions also to the club. We used to send out the resolutions along with the, I think we sent it out along with the, we do send out the notice for the business session, right?
No.
To clubs.
No, we did it as a separate for the.
No, we are not
president's group.
sending an agenda for the business session to clubs.
No, it was sent. It was sent. The agenda for this
Usha?
session.
Business
Only
session
the
agenda
agenda
is just
was
sent.
sent.
No. As a
Anita.
No,
I
no,
think
it is
all the
sent, but it is not sent very professional, like particularly.
Usha, these resolutions actually have got to be sent to the clubs because they're coming there, they're sitting and voting. They ought to know what is happening, what they're doing.
Better
What
if
they are
it goes,
voting
you know, so that
for.
they bring.
Yeah.
But Malli, in the last,
That trend, but somewhere in the middle, see, somebody not gotten a resolution work till the last minute. Nothing, no intention of hiding anything from any, but she hasn't worked on her resolution early enough to send it.
Malli, from last 6 years and the EC meeting, even the EC member also don't get the resolution, what to talk about president and secretary.
But that's
And
not right,
wrong.
no? That's
That's
not
wrong.
right.
That is a very wrong trend that is going
Yeah.
on.
Then why are we not
That is a
correcting
very
it?
wrong trend.
Malli, this is a club, that's why I'm talking. There's too many seniors controlling everything. But now this resolution part is no need to send. This is the only information to us.
We need to find
No,
out.
no,
Geeta,
no,
you
no,
have a
no, no,
point.
no. Which
No.
seniors?
No,
I don't take the name because I was following the rule what the previous chairman.
No, Usha, even if you send resolution, but we cannot just not have it in the business session. What we
No. You are not understanding. I'm not telling the business session letter we need to pass. What Malli is telling you, you need to circulate to all the club president before.
Yes,
But from
I also think so.
Radha, now
speaking-
president, I have never received from you also, not from Malli. I
No,
was in
I have
district.
sent-
Usha, from
No,
me,
I have
definitely the club, all
We-
clubs received.
we
No,
gave
maybe I
because-
have not. I was very new that time. But
No,
since here in the district, I never received the resolution as a
Usha.
member.
No, because our EC meeting we sent to the presidents in the president's group because Sushi wanted that. I wanted to follow that.
Because
then
this
I
was
don't
No,
mind
no, and
mentioning.
it's a right thing
Usha,
because it's the
Usha,
clubs
this
that are making the
started in-
decision.
She's here, I know, because I was her secretary. I was her district secretary.
No. Listen, Malli. I entered in the district.
Radha would have not sent.
Swarna period lenda barve illiyama.
அது வரல ஏன்னா I'll tell you like சாந்தி கண்ணன் எல்லாம் சொன்னா இது ஒரு வேஸ்ட் எப்படி இருந்தாலும் ஜிபில வரணும் பிசினஸ் செஷன் வரணும் நீங்க அனுப்பாதீங்க
அது வந்து தனி டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் கமிட்டி மீட்டிங்ல வந்து பண்றது வேஸ்ட்னு சொன்னா பட் ரெசல்யூஷன்ஸே அனுப்ப வேண்டாங்கிறது வந்து
I think we should bring it Malli in the coming EC meeting we should bring this subject I think in the district.
Yes, I think so.
I
Yeah.
think the clubs and the club members need to know what is being voted on.
Absolutely, Geeta.
And we should take a decision on whether we want to vote
Yes.
A or nay.
Yes.
Yeah.
yeah, we are done.
எடுத்து whole day busy ஆனோம்னா ஒருத்தரும் பிசினஸ் செஷன்ல உட்கார்றது இல்ல
இல்ல, அது வேற விஷயம்.
இல்ல
No,
ராதா
உட்கார்ல voting delegates are sitting there.
புரியணும்ல
ஆமா, voting delegates are sitting there. Elections are always circulated earlier. Whom to vote for association, international
Election
are
is
circulated, and big resolutions are circulated. Will have to be circulated. That
They
I
will.
agree.
Yeah.
No,
Because
and
the
let's
ones like
not say
changing
big,
secretary,
let's
it's okay.
not say big and small. It has to be all resolutions.
And in time so that we can discuss it at a GB.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. We did that before 2 months. Before 2
At
months.
least along with the notice and agenda, it has to come, which is
Stop.
3 weeks. Which
But
is
now
3 weeks.
who's going to take this to the district?
Yeah,
We
nagara
only-
hokkame.
All of
We
us.
only, and again there will be objection.
அஞ்சு
President,
PDC உட்கார்ந்துட்டு இருக்காங்க பண்ணுங்க.
President will,
பண்ணினா
President
நீங்களா
will,
முதல்ல படிக்கிறடா கேட்டுட்டு கொஸ்டின் கேட்கணும் ரெசல்யூஷன்
இல்ல, இல்ல,
யாரும்
அவங்க
வரதில்ல.
ராதாரத்னம்
You people have no
அவ
rights to
படிக்கவே
ask because sorry, now I am vehemently telling
படிக்கல.
no past presidents are attending our conference, so don't question us.
Radha,
சண்டை போடாத.
Radha.
சண்டைதான் போடுவேன்.
No,
யார்
Radha, can you listen?
Question
Listen.
தெரியும்.
Listen. இப்ப சொல்லிருக்கல கேட்டுக்கலாம். So
Malli,
Anita will
Malli,
have formed
Malli.
the-
படிக்கல, it's their right to get.
Yeah,
Malli,
Malli
can
forms a
I
resolution.
suggest you something? See, when you will bring this out, no, the Radha, Sushi and all, and you will tell ki we were used to send, you will present from the last few years, it is stopped. You understand?
Now that we know, we'll find out. We'll do the needful. Just because you cannot be blaming always last few
Say
years.
what happened, we started this, why has it stopped? Because
Yes.
Exactly. So
Yes.
Malli form the words, Anita can.
Let's go with the
Yeah.
briefing now. Let's not discuss this here.
Yeah, district
We'll
என்ன பண்ண
take it
இவாளுக்கு
forward.
எது பாவம். பயந்து போயிட்டு போறா நம்ம members.
ஆமா. Installation meetings of
I have a question. More slides.
Yeah.
I need to log out for another meeting. I don't know what I'm going to miss moving forward. Can you guys share the recording for this also, please? Whatever I miss out. This is Vaishnavi.
Nothing.
Lakshmi is anyway recording, no?
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Yeah.
Anyway, I will share the
Okay.
slides also.
Yeah.
Okay, great.
So,
Yeah,
in the
thank you.
club
This has been very enriching. Thanks so much.
Yeah.
It's been
Thanks,
very
Vaishnavi.
enriching and we answered a lot of questions for me. Thank you.
Thanks, Vaishnavi.
Yeah, bye.
Club events are the very first event in the year is the installation meeting, usually in the month of July, for which you may or may, usually nowadays we are inviting the chairman, we are taking the time from her. And the previous year's reports are, accounts and reports are read. And if there are any resolutions that also get passed. The next event is the chairman's visit to the club. This is where the chairman officially visits the club in her official capacity. It has 3 parts. The chairman is expected to visit a project of yours. So the project visit is one of them. And then she sits with the executive committee of the club and she goes through all our books and all that. She'll see how our minutes are kept. And she look at our accounts, the current accounts, the previous year's audit report and all that. And also basically she will see how officers.
எட்டி பாரு பின்னால இருந்து. பாப்பா சாப்பிடலாம்.
Radham.
So after this, there is the general body part of the chairman's visit, which is where all the club members attend. That's the one where all the club members attend the meeting. Where the chairman, basically the highlight of that is the chairman is giving you your, you are also making your presentations to all the club officers. And the chairman gives you the observations about your club. So that is what basically is the thing about the chairman's visit. Okay. And nowadays the chairman visits are happening in groups of 3 clubs and all that. So they do it club by club at that same event. I'm sure a number of you attended those events. Okay, now let's come to the constitution and bylaws. So this whole thing, all of Innoville is governed by the Innoville constitution, which I said gets amended every 3rd year at the Innoville convention, international convention. So that is the book that finally governs everything. And apart from that, the Association of Innoville Clubs in India has come out with its own bylaws that governs the clubs that come under that are in India, that come under the association. the thing is, these bylaws cannot be, they have to be in consonance with the constitution. It cannot say anything against, it can say anything further, because constitution will only give in very general terms. The bylaws will add a few more details there so that it becomes easier for us to follow and understand and follow and use the rules to go by our day-to-day work. So the bylaws again is amended every 3 years. That is usually the year following the International Convention, and it's done at the Triennial Conference. That event where it gets amended is called the Triennial Conference. And then copies of the Constitution and the bylaws can be bought by any member who wishes to. Okay, every member has a right to have a copy of the bylaw and and if any member wants a copy, please inform the president and she will try and get you one. And every club has got to have a copy of the bylaws at least. Okay, the Constitution can also be accessed from the International Inner Wheel website, which is www.innerwheel.com, and the bylaws from the association website, www.innerwheelindia.com. And all information on Inner Wheel District 323 and all current events and happenings are posted on Inner Wheel District 323 website. Inner Wheel District 323 is also on Facebook, and the invitation to this page is open only to members of Inner Wheel District 323. Lakshmi, next one. Okay, this is the statistics. I think we did see the figures earlier also. Next, Lakshmi. Okay, Inner Wheel history quickly. Okay, it started, the year is from July 1st to 30th. I have already told you that. Inner Wheel began on 10th January 1924 by Margaret Oliver Golding, and she formed the Inner Wheel Club of Manchester. She was the president. So therefore, January 10th is the International Inner Wheel Day. The first district was District 5, formed in 1928. Mrs. Golding was the first chairman. International Inner Wheel was formed in 1967 with clubs in Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and America. And Mrs. D. Dwightman was the first international president. The first international convention was held in Florida, in 1985. Thanks, Lakshmi. At the national level, the first club in India was Inner Wheel Club of Ahmedabad, which was formed in 1955. The first district in Inner Wheel was called District 75. Later, it became 305. The first national council was formed in 1969 with 4 districts. The Association of Inner Wheel Clubs in India and Sri Lanka came into existence in 1975 with 10 districts. Raksha Mehta was the founder president, and Mano Bhaktavatsalaam, who is a member of our district, was the secretary. Currently, there are 27 districts in India. 6 Indians have been international presidents. One of them is our own Kamala Ramakrishnan. Next, Lakshmi. In the district, Inner Wheel District 323 came into being 1985 as a breakaway from District 320. It was further bifurcated into 323 and 298. Clubs of District 323 are in Chennai, Chengalpet, Tiruvannamalai, and Vellore districts. The first club to be formed in South India is Inner Wheel Club of Madras South. This was very soon after the Inner Wheel Club of Ahmedabad, actually. And about our district, our senior most member, Pastor Mano, was the first association secretary. PDC Desikan, PDC Rama Rajgopal, and Padmaprita Sumant have held the post of association secretary. Kalabashyam was held the post of deputy national representative, and Lata Mahalingam was the national editor. And of course, I seem to have missed out the association presidents that were here. Kamala, Aragu, and Suman also, Radha.
Lily Ratnam.
Lily Ratnam. There's a number of them. I seem to have missed out on those names. Okay, in the district or Murchitama. Okay, now watch out. This is one thing literally, like, we cannot tolerate being called inner wheelers. All new members at least once have made that mistake, because we're so used to, Rotarians and this and that. So inner wheelers. So no, please refer to yourselves as inner wheel members. And if somebody calls you inner wheelers, please correct them. And we use the term chairman and not chairperson or chairwoman. Norman. So whatever your constitution says, those are the nomenclatures that we will use. We cannot take liberties with changing them. So any of the new members who want to be MC, please note all this. No inner wheelers, no chairperson or chairwoman. Okay. And a lot of the times people refer to us as Rotary. We've had this happen even at a chief guest in a conference, or not any guest speaker in the conference or in the assembly or any other event also, because the person would have attended a Rotary meeting sometime and she's somehow, maybe it's a Rotarian that fixed the speaker for you, whatever. But please inform the person that we are in a wheel and we are not Rotary. So please correct, don't tolerate that. And very, very important, when you invite somebody for your meetings or anything, please do not go and sell raffle tickets or ask them for funds for your for anything, for your projects or any of those things. Don't try to fundraise with that person. This is very important. So with this,
Mali, if I may interrupt.
Yep.
I refuse. Okay, officially, I will call the chairman. But when I refer to the chairman in person, in private, I will not use the word chairman. I will only use district chair. Because I am a woman and I refuse to be called a man. Unfortunately, we have to accept the term chairman, but I will not refer. So in when I'm speaking to you, I will say district chair and that's it.
As long as
when
you
I'm
don't
speaking at the club, I will only say district chair.
Whatever. District chair, nobody will object to, Srilata. District chair, nobody will object to, but you cannot say the chairperson or chairwoman.
Yeah, chairwoman is not there. There is no such term. But chairman, I refuse. 100%.
If you
I'm a woman.
At the word chairman as a term by itself, not as a chairman, I don't see the problem there. But anyway, I leave you to have your problems. Okay. So, okay. Anything else that you want to ask me about this, or rather, let's talk about the club. You,
nothing much. When others are telling that Inner Wheel Club Central is very strong and integration is there, I must say how we started small way. Even the bigger projects was a continuous project. When we adopted Panchayat School, first I must say our club was started. Charter president is Vasanti Rao. I am really grateful in the sense she was the person who gave this ATG. She said that idea she gave to our club so that we'll be enabled to get more funds for the projects. And each president, it is not, she'll continue to do what the previous president had done. Like in Panchayat School, one president would have done the room, another president would have done the toilet. Then another president will continue so that we'll finish that project there. That much we were united. Don't you agree, Geeta, for that Neelangre Panchayat School?
Yes, yes. We adopted one place and did
in the side, united, we have been continuously doing even the free medical camp, even though the venues changed, like Perungudi to Red Hills, but the concepts still continue. And the presidents were united in that, at least the thinking. So that is a very strong point in Central, I must say. And We are really proud of our club.
Excuse me.
Actually,
for a minute.
Radha, talking about, Vijay, 1 second. Talking about us being united, in the Vati President's meet, there was a comment. The President's meet that happened on Wednesday, there was a, no, on Tuesday, sorry, there was a comment. One of the presidents said, you know, you're very lucky. You have a lot of past presidents, past district chairmen in your club. So, you know, you get a lot of guidance and support from them. And I said, yes. And immediately another person said, not just that, you should see the bonding. And she specifically mentioned Radha. She said, I noticed the kind of bonding you have with Radha ma'am. It's so nice to see all that. And I did make it a point to tell her that, you know, we don't have any internal politics. Any differences we may have is issue based and never person based, you know. Like we might disagree on some projects to do or not do, but it stops there and then, you know.
Yeah, nothing personal. So we have been, that's why the success is that all of us are
So
friends.
that's the impression that everybody has about our club also. And to all the new members who are here, the new members, the members who joined a few years ago, for us, friendship comes first.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
you know,
Very
our
true.
service is very important. But, you know, we are here together to serve the society. But the most important thing is friendship. You know, we don't want to lose out on friends because of differences in our views over projects and things like that.
And I just like to say one thing here. The main thing is I don't want any of the new, there don't seem to be too many new members on the screen, but anyway, the few that are there don't have this feeling that I'm new, therefore I cannot speak, I don't know. The only way you're going to learn and know is if you speak and then somebody tells you, okay, this is how it can be done or not done. There's nothing like senior, junior. Please, we're all there. We're all in it together. So your ideas may be far, far superior to what I have. So unless you voice it, we'll never know.
And we want to get new ideas so that change is
exactly.
always more interesting. For your information, I am a very good speaker, a very bad speaker. I can't speak for nuts, but I've been continuously working for the club and everything. I enjoy doing it.
Excuse me. Formed our trust and really actually the foundation was laid so strong for her for our club by Vasanti. Really.
She was actually originally, if you want to know the history, she was member of Rotary Club, Innerville Club of Madras. Once Mr. Rao became Rotarian of Central Club, she immediately thought she should leave. She should start one club in our Central Rotary, sponsored by Central Rotary. And
hey, Radha, Vijay has something to ask and she has to leave. So.
No, tell me, Vijay, tell me.
No,
Vijay,
I'm just leaving. We are going for that project today. That's what I just said bye. I mean, I can continue in the car, but I just said bye. And thank you for the information, Malli. Thanks. Thank you.
We send it soft copy and say, go through it.
Okay.
Nothing, you all will do better than us, I'm telling you. We learn from you.
Bye.
Okay.
Venkatesh.
Okay.
Bye.
Maybe I might also have to leave because I'm also supposed to go to the same project that Vijay is going. I have to meet her on the way. So if I don't leave now, then
dear Anita.
Yes. Yes, Usha. Usha, yes.
Yes.
You had to say something?
No.
Later. Any doubts? Ask us anytime.
Any doubts that you have that might come up later, we can even discuss on our groups here. No problem.
Exactly. Good job, Malika. Very interesting and very a lot of things I didn't know too.
Huh? What?
No.
District level, I like to stay.
Thank you so much actually for taking the time, taking the effort. I know Lakshmi will do the official vote of thanks, but then, you know, thought I say thank you so much. You've been really great.
Yeah, that's what.
Please. Lakshmi.
And also thanks to Lakshmi for coming up
I
with
got
this
frozen
brilliant
on my
idea.
screen.
Yeah.
What about you guys? You're
Actually,
also
we
there.
thank Lakshmi now for.
Oh no, not at all.
No, thank you, Lakshmi. Thank you for you know, coming up with this idea. Thank you for doing this for us. she took all the effort, followed up with the new members to make sure that, we could get a time.
My
and
connection
date
is
when we are
acting up,
available.
ladies, I think.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
Malli,
yeah.
Malli.
thank you to you.
Thank you,
to
Malli.
you
Thank you,
for-
Malli.
Thank you for taking all the effort and doing this for us. Thank
And
you so
well done,
much.
Lakshmi. I like the invitation. Everything what you're doing is very nice.
Oh,
Very good.
thanks, Radha. I'm
Okay.
just learning.
Thank you so much.
No, those things we have learned from you.
Okay. Fine, I will share the slides and I will share the recordings also.
Thank you, Lakshmi.
Yeah, thanks, Vijay.
Thanks, Lakshmi. Malli is left. Is it? Ah,
I think Malli is
she's-
free. She has very.
oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. It was a very useful
Great session.
session. Yes, it was really useful. I mean, especially
Thank
new
you,
members
thank you.
like us.
Yeah.
It was really
Thanks to
useful.
all of you
Thank
for
you.
attending. Thank you so much for attending.
Yeah.
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
Thanks.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, bye,
Bye,
bye.
bye.
Bye,
Bye,
guys.
bye, 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 bye.
Bye.
I was frozen for the last bit. I don't know. But anyway, whatever. Bye.
We thanked you a lot.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you, dear.
Yes, thank you,
Malli.
Malli. Thank you,
so much.
Lakshmi.
Thank you.
Thank you. It was
Thank
very informative. Very,
Thank
very.
you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye, ma.
Bye, bye, bye.
I will end it.
Yeah, yes,
Yeah,
you
sure.
can. Yeah, you can.